everyone! I'm here with my brother and sister on the set of making the Yiddish dubbed Brave, Disney's Brave. This is Miriam and Shmuel.
Hey.
Okay, so I have the script here.
Yeah.
And
oh, one copy? Okay.
yeah, I just have one copy. We could just pass it around, I guess. I should have done 3.
Now I'm Eleanor, right?
Rock, paper, scissors, who's married or who's Eleanor?
Really? This wasn't decided before? Okay.
Wait! What was... The person
I feel
who
like
wrote
winning
this-
is meta, no? Like that.
You do better that. I'll do Eleanor.
Are you sure?
Which one has less lines?
I assume meta has more, no? She's like the main character.
She doesn't have that many lines, honestly.
Huh.
I mean, she has some.
You take the one that has more lines.
Okay, let me quickly then give a scan who has more lines.
Feels like...
It's about the same.
Thanks.
So you do meta, that's your video.
Here.
So that's the first line.
That's where we're starting, okay. Okay, so let's start. Okay, wait, so...
I kind of like that though. I didn't translate that. That little part.
Okay, so we
I'm
can
fine
add it
with
in
it.
now.
That
Okay.
maybe, yeah.
First, it starts off, if you want to start with this whole thing, it starts off with Eleanor saying, places everyone.
Why don't you just translate it now quickly and
Yeah, we could just translate
it's
it.
We can
literally
translate
just
this
one.
one, yeah.
It's
It's
just
2
one
lines.
line.
Places everyone, and then him saying, I look fine, woman, let me be.
Yeah, I think we
Zeus,
can do
Git.
that.
Let's do that, Jede.
I ate this in plaats.
Okay, that's a plan.
That works. Okay. So you start off, since you won the rock, paper, scissors, and then decided to be Eleanor.
We
Wait,
kind of
I
have
thought
to...
it starts with. And you want me to try to roll my R's a little more, right?
If you can.
It's gotta sound Scottish.
Okay.
No pressure though. You don't have to.
No
I
pressure.
feel pressure.
Sound Scottish.
Okay.
I feel like we have to test this first. We didn't.
Oh yeah, we
Oh.
can do our mic test.
We did not.
Run the mic test.
That was your mic.
To roll my R's.
Yeah, most people go testing, 1, 2. It works.
Sounds
Works.
lovely.
Okay.
Right. Okay, wait, it's a Jede zum Platz?
Yeah.
Okay. A Jede zum Platz.
That was actually.
Nice.
That was good.
Sounded nice and Scottish.
A Jede zum Platz.
Yeah, the tune and everything was good.
Okay.
Thanks.
Zeus, Git, Frau, laat me goed.
Maar laten we eens aan.
Laat me gaan, is better, yeah.
I feel like that was a Lammerchup type of moment, though.
Now let's see where.
Does it pick up here from where the script is?
See
Guards! You want to announce the arrival
Was that curl?
of the large
I have no idea
What did you say?
It was really
Just
close.
mumble with a Scottish
Yeah, and I
accent.
just literally go, oh, God, you're there, you're
That was perfect. I should have recorded that.
You want to announce the arrival?
Something arrival. The only word I could hear is arrival.
I
because
heard a
he's
sir
introducing.
in there. Go
It's
back.
not on here.
Hang on,
Okay,
go back.
but if we're starting to see.
You want to announce the arrival of the large
Oh no.
Oh, it's arrival of the lads. Nothing, would you go to translate? Any other way?
You need to translate arrival of the lads to Yiddish.
I don't even know if that's what he says.
Mulan! You want to announce the arrival of the large
Yeah, he definitely says arrival of the lads.
Maybe it's like, it sounds like something like a long awaited arrival. You basically just have to
That,
mumble.
that's, no, I think that's what it is, wait.
Mulan! You want to announce
How do you say arrival?
Okay, man.
Okay, so the man.
Yeah, like.
Lad.
Lot.
Laat.
Yeah.
Lad sounds way better than
Then-
it first of all.
Yeah, no, lot is the right word. That is actually. Ein, en we winsten die omkomen, vinden laat. Please tell me you got it before you started laughing.
Presentation of the shooter.
Okay, so this is
Okay.
you guys have lines. So Devils, those enemy, de vier kleinen, was kunnen ze samenvatten en die de voorstellen van de gedichten.
Gedicht?
Nice.
De voorstellen van...
Okay.
I mean,
Maybe... Ja.
Demmels, du zijn hier. De samen van. Right here all.
okay. Make sure the us are in the right, like line up with his
Oh, let me
us.
see where he is.
So
Okay.
it's 2 words,
Hold on, I need a-
2 words and
Hold
then
on,
1
I
word
need a
and
mark.
1 word and
I kind of want to just mark where I need a.
It's 2
Demmels.
2 No,
Hold on, no, I'm gonna
Demmels do
do.
Zenemir,
Zenemir,
die
Die
de
vier
4 kleinen
was kümmern sie sich zusammen für
ja.
Demmels du Zenemir, de vier kleinen. Okay.
Wow, you look at the schnoz on that man.
I have I have a lot. Okay. Eier Malchus. Ich stelle vor, man Jiddish in Sinn, der was hat beschützt in sein Land von
What is a Yiddish?
Here.
Here. Yiddish. I've just never heard it used in this
More you know.
context. See, Safendiga?
Zuffendige.
Oh, van Safendiga Aanbrechers. Mit seinem eigenen Schwert geschachten, de übergenommen Tausender mehr. Geschachten und übergenommen.
Gestachen.
Gestochen, oh.
Stabbed.
Things mean very similar things.
Thank you for the
Thanks
demonstration.
yeah.
We wouldn't know what stabbed is otherwise.
Yeah, that was.
Yeah, and it's a very not commonly used words either. It's
You
not-
think?
I don't remember the last time we used the word Yiddish in everyday life.
Yeah. Also Safendiga Aanbrechers.
Okay, I just used that last Wednesday. Come on, Shmuel.
Ja, want het Safendiga Aanbrechers om zich aangebrochen.
Yeah.
Okay. Aanbrechers. En had met zijn eigen Schwert gestochen en übergenommen Tausender mehr.
That was actually good.
Wow!
That was the first try where I actually went for it, like fully.
Okay, let's just
That
listen
was
back to it.
great.
I didn't do that. Okay.
Poor Shmuel, he has all the lines. We're just sitting
I
there.
Malchus, hier stel voor mijn oudste zien, was had de trinken, de Viking Mohammed schiffen met zijn eigen hand gewonnen. 2000 pound.
My Goffy!
I'm trying to do like slightly different voices for
Thank
these.
you.
I'm not great at voices.
Yeah, I can also, I
but
changed the pitch for all of them also.
yeah,
Like, I
trying
changed
to do
it
like a
around
little bit variation here.
One arm, he was steering the ship, and with the other, he held his mighty sword and struck down the whole attacking fleet. Lies! What?
Okay, so I'm gonna go till there and then I'm gonna go.
Can I please do that one?
Yeah, why not? Sure.
Thanks.
I can afford to lose a line or two.
I didn't even have a single line yet.
Wait, did you see? I haven't even looked over the line. I just heard it in English. I haven't read it yet in Yiddish.
Alright.
Zijn ganze Militär in ganze allein mit
Alle.
Adem. Allein mit
In ganzen allein, probably.
In ganzen
in ganzen allein mit einem
Yeah,
Adem.
alone.
Okay, yeah,
In
got it,
ganzen
got it.
allein mit
ein
ein Adem.
Adem.
Schleps him out. Mit ein Adem!
Hat
He held his mighty sword and
mit ein. Wait, hold on.
He says it twice, but I know him.
Yeah, but
mit
there's
ein
in
Adem.
between it hot.
Mit ein Adem!
Hold on.
with one arm, he was with one arm.
Ein Adem
Er
hat
hat-
ihn! Mit ein
Ein Adam hat geführt das Schiff und mit der anderen hat gehalten sein mächtiges Schwert und hat den Nelem gemacht, der ganze Attack.
Adam hat it's not hat, it's the same sentence.
Oh, yeah.
Mit ein Adam hat
Yeah, yeah.
Mit ein Adam
Yeah, okay.
hat geführt
So the
das
the
Schiff.
script it says
Yeah,
it
yeah.
hot, so it's
Yeah, it is hated.
okay.
That their sons did, and we all know all of it is lies. I have to remember these
What do you mean? You
stories.
don't think his arms were able to conquer armies?
Yeah, with one hand a sword, on the other hand he can't hold a sword with both his arms. Okay. Is it recording? Oh. Ich stell vor, mein einziger Sinn, was es Adam gewonnen. Isn't it Adam gewonnen? No. Adam gewonnen sounds better. Okay.
Both sounds fine.
Okay. Go. Ich stell vor, mein einziger Sinn, was es gewonnen Adam genommen, war 10.000 Romaner. Und hat zermassigt sein ganzes Militär in ganzen allein. Damn it, this word is gonna trip me up.
Do you want me to start from the start? Okay.
I think it needs more input. I know it's mean to ask that of you because
No,
you're
hold on,
trying
let
to
me
remember
listen
so
again.
many lines.
He took out a hope who was mistaken
Yeah,
for
no,
his
he's being very
my
dramatic.
only son.
Oh,
Man,
okay. I have to listen again.
einziger
By the time I got to the end, I didn't remember how it started. Okay, this guy talks for us. I don't think I made it so short and sweet. Breaks log. End the story. Wait, did I already record that? No.
No.
Okay.
I like how the music, like the grand music, stopped the second he pulled this guy out.
Yeah.
Murder single-handedly with one arm. He was with one arm.
Like this big strong dude, and then they pull out this wimpy little guy, and it's like.
Why did they bring the big strong dude from the hide behind? Did they not realize how that affects his
Yeah.
chances?
Affects everyone else in that room's chances. It's quite unfair to all of them. Okay. Ich stell vor, mein eigenes, einziger. Damn it. I got this, people. I got
I
this.
believe you.
So many words.
I wish that Disney had way more long female parts because then
Yeah.
I would get to do more of like the one.
Really, just let the dudes talk.
Hab gehackert. Mufasa.
Jetzt arrestier ihr.
Was machst du? Nur uns Flynn Rider.
Ja, jij had ook Mushu, maar als ik was er als in de zon met mijn meidelijke gassen.
Oh, every single thing we've done so far, you've had
Like,
like.
are meant to
more
be
lines.
sit quietly and be looked at.
Ooh.
That is the message we want to deliver to our children.
Yeah, of course.
Go on.
Ich stell vor, mein einziger Sinn, was es geworden hat, hingenommen, bei 10.000 Romaner. A ganze Attacke. I can't say that word, okay. But I got most of it.
You
Yes.
got most of it. We're not starting over.
No.
No, we are not. The hell no.
Okay, let's see where we want to restart. That was actually very good.
Okay, we're getting somewhere. I think I'm gonna start again with that hot air.
Yeah?
Because, hold on.
With one arm. He was
Hot air. Mit ein Arm hat
You
Yeah,
gonna start
I'm
from there?
gonna start with the hot air. Because there is a slight pause after the first
Wait,
Arm
you
as
delete
well.
the autumn also?
and he took out a hope.
Air.
Yeah, it was good.
That was
Okay, we finally. I'm done with all these speeches of lying about sons. Now you get to say ligament.
Where is she really? That was like the whole one. Go.
Look at it!
But it's got off. You went too quickly. You were too enthusiastic.
Yeah, you.
Damn it!
Or are you scared, simpering jackanapes? Afraid to muss your pretty hair?
Okay, how did you translate Jackanapes? I don't even know what that is.
We have here.
Clutch happening.
Wat hebben wir, hoor?
I'm just saying all the lines even though I don't have them. I wish they had more female lines.
Wat hebben wir, hoor?
Disney really like doesn't make the women speak a lot.
In alle unserer Zeiner.
Dave, if he was a wee bit closer, I could lob a caber at him, kin.
Okay, how'd you translate that? You can just leave that in.
I'm leaving that in.
Because I don't have.
Please, I want to hear him say it.
Hear say what?
Exactly.
Actually, on the script it said, a young MacGuffin speaks, unintelligible, nobody understands it. I think it said that.
Well, yeah, it's. That means wait. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna steal one or two on the way out.
No, you can have the chocolate chip ones. You can't have the vanilla. That's for the pie crust.
Oh, okay, I want the chocolate chip ones.
Who doesn't want the chocolate chip ones?
The vanilla ones are good, but they get overshadowed, you know?
Chocolate chip ostrachers are the
They get a bad rep.
Yeah. Chocolate chip ostrachers are the
Yeah. Anyway, by the way, for those wondering, this is a normal conversation amongst Hasidic Jews. Okay. Inhale auf sie kriegen!
Kinderwagen.
Love oil.
Yeah.
What is happening? Are you playing it?
Oh, I'm supposed to play it.
Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Let me show you some water. Okay, wait, someone says before, like, which just works a million times better in Yiddish.
Yeah, do it. Hold on.
Ich was schon angefangen. Wait, where am I? Oh, do. Okay. Entschuldig, man kennen. Ich feel gefährlich.
Gefährlich.
Just go sit over there till I'm done.
Go make a coffee.
Yeah, go make your coffee while I record this line. Can't have you bursting into laughter.
I'll show some comments.
Some decorum. Okay. Yeah.
I can repeat it as well.
I didn't, but yes, dear.
Yes, dear.
Oh, I never get to speak. Woo!
Oh, he says Entschuldigkeit. Okay, Entschuldigkeit. Ich kann nicht. Ja, siehste. Okay.
Yeah.
I don't have to speak! Woo! Someone else's line. Okay.
No, what does she get to say?
Okay. So Miriam has this long deduction now. You have a small interjection where you say
Begin.
"Bachar," and then you get to yell archery.
Boygen schießerij! Boygen schießerij! I sound like a 90-year-old.
Yeah. She's Barbie. Oh yeah, so you have this whole deduction now that you have to.
Okay. Hang on, let me do that first. Just the.
Yeah.
Wie men zijn er mee
Ja. Okay. Jetzt. Wie haben wir abgelast? Ah, ja. Lood in zijn bespoetem. Was that right? Oh, damn it! I thought your face meant that I did it wrong. Lood in zijn bespoetem. Als recht van Jerisha. Noord de bocher van. I keep saying bocher.
Bachar.
Begin.
Bachar.
Like, alle Begonnen zijn gestorben. Did you guys not learn the parachute?
We learned the part.
Noord de begaar van hij jede van de mechtige voerders kennen zijn
Pedophiles and me and Matimo gave each other a look. This is Yiddish, not Nazi.
I think you should have been Eleanor. Okay.
Yeah, maybe we're the
You
easier
do it
one.
this way.
Okay.
Begin?
Oh, that was complicated. How'd you get it in one shot?
Here's your Oscar, your Emmy, Golden Globe.
Here, to the people who actually have lines.
Do you want to switch?
It's way too late! Okay,
It's
fine.
just... In Kankeriden fahren Prinzessens Hand.
Okay.
Prinzessin, because
Prinzessin.
Prinzessin is the princess and pertaining to.
Okay.
Thanks.
No, it's a hard one. These are some really tough ones here. You got Kankariden
I
and
really should have done
Prinsesses.
Eleanor.
Okay. Een kan kriegen van hand van de prinses van Doembrach.
Van Prinsessen
Allein.
Oftewel, de proef.
No,
Okay.
for the proefjes aan ausgewählt, van Prinsessen allein.
Allein. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Because that way it lines
Okay.
up.
Alright.
Es is aan min ook van de proef Wait. Es is aan min ook van een proef te zijn uitgewählt van een prinsessen alleen.
It was really good. You got like
That's
this
good, there
little
you go.
Scottish.
Scottish going on.
Beugen schießerei! Beugen schießerei! Ich will beugen schießerei.
Tjus, Jinker.
Yeah, Miriam should have done Merida. She has way less complicated lines. I
Yeah.
didn't realize that beforehand.
You said it's about even, so I said I'll let you have the.
Because I only counted how many times I saw each name. Because she has a bunch
Not
of little
how
lines.
many words there are in
I
each
didn't look-
of the segments.
Yeah, I should have looked better.
I bet he wishes he was tossing cabers.
Or holding up bridges.
How did you translate that? Tossing papers or holding up?
Yeah, I think I have a real translation.
Yeah, we're gonna watch Merida.
Okay.
Well, brave.
Ich meine, dass wünscht, dass wart Gebers.
Well, Yiddish Scottish accent, who would have thought?
I'll bring that up.
Oh, no.
We have to collapse into laughs
Yeah.
again.
Yeah, you have to start laughing.
Al der halt brikken erover.
Whoa, I forgot the line and I was literally just gonna say the same thing.
Wait. You can get Macintosh guide. Nein!
Godje Kastig!
Oh.
Schossen
Oh, I have to
de
just
Phil,
go.
zien? No?
Not just them Ziel
I have to
geschossen.
record this, him
Yeah.
just yelling? Okay.
Dem Ziel geschossen sehen. I think he says son, but.
Ja,
Godje die dem Ziel geschossen
geschossen
sehen.
zien. Fergus. Oh, it was a different tune. Fergus.
Oi, Lemmele.
Oi, Kim Shine. Schießlat!
Perfect. Like a true of Vezi.
Yes. Oi, wees dat tatele? Schießlat! Okay, and I have to go. And then he goes, feast your eyes. How do you say that?
Doesn't he flush their ass at it?
Uh-huh.
Gonna demonstrate for the camera? Please don't.
You can't see my screen, there's no way.
No, that's not what I meant.
I know, and I chose to take it this way. Okay.
This
Okay.
is my zine!
Okay, so I have to go. Get gemacht, I did it. Kick ahead. Das ist mein Sinn. Das ist meine Schmeudedig. Ist es nicht? Ruth, wer kennt sie Nachtmahl?
Oh, there's a Fergus thrown in there?
Uh-huh.
What kind of Fergus?
I don't know why it's Fergus.
I am Merida, firstborn descendant of Clan Dunbrough, and I'll be shooting for my own hand.
Merda, was ist das?
Oh, I've been waiting to be able to do this line.
Yeah, this is like the line.
This
of
is
the
the line
scene.
why you wanted to be Merida.
For this, also for Mulan. Let's not kid ourselves.
Oh,
We
oh,
also
you
good.
schäfele.
But I still feel like Miriam should have been married in a way, because she was
Yeah.
never plugging with all this.
I know, it's not gonna come out as good because I...
It's okay.
No, we do it in the end.
Ich bin Merida, begart of in Clan Dubrach.
Was ist die? Merda. Merda, hier auf dem Met. Die sollte er nicht...
You can start from just the divide.
Die soll dich nicht der Wagen zu lassen nach Kafal gehen. Merda, ich verbot es.
This is
Yeah.
nice.
I think we
And
might
so-
be done.
Okay. on it.
Safe project. Should
And thus concludes the grand adventure
Of the behind the scenes.
of Merida. Don't look at us like that.
I'm gonna keep that in. And this is how the Yiddish dubbing of Disney videos is made for my channel. Thanks again, guys.
You are very welcome.
Bye. Auf Wiedersehen.